let's check how you can connect Stripe CLI to your VS Code. First, you need to install this Stripe CLI using this command, or if you are using Windows, you need to download, extract that zip file, download. After extracting, you need to install it. After installing, go to the VS Code, the project, and then log into the Stripe login. You can either click enter or open the login URL in a new tab and login, or if you don't want to do that, you can also just use interactive. You can proceed with this login. After logging in, what you need to do is you need to log in. After logging in, you need to use Stripe listen forward to. So forward to, you need to replace this with the actual URL of your testing. Let me show you that here. So first you will be running this Azurite. If you don't have, install it globally and then run Azurite. This will listen so that you can check your data using func start. So this is for Azure function. When you run func start, it will listen to this, and then after that you can run Stripe listen to forward to, and then the URL, the local URL which that needs to listen. So currently it is 7071. So you will see here, after running func start, you will get the list of URL that you can test. So API, so currently, since I'm going to check for that, I need to copy this and then replace this one and then enter. Once you enter, you will get the webhook secret, which you can test it. You can copy this and then use it in your code. You can replace the environment file, but for now I'm just going to paste it here just for testing. And you also need to use the secret key to test correctly to make sure everything works fine. So in order to get the restrict key, you can get it from this developers and then API keys. So here you will see two type of keys. One is publishable key, another one is secret key. Secret key is for testing, publishable is for production. And then after that, you just have to come here and then let me run the, so here I have the payment link. I'll copy this link and then proceed to buy. So currently, as you can see, currently this is empty. It seems there's a network issue. Okay, pay now. So in the meantime, after payment complete, you can go back. You will see it has triggered. So as you can see, previously we were in this and then it has triggered, Webhook triggered. So it is checking product ID, license. So we can also retrieve the metadata which you have added in the product. So here, as you can see, under this product catalog, let me show you from here, edit product. Here under this more option, I have added metadata license type as basic. So if you want to retrieve this, you have to add some line of code, and that is this one. Get line item Stripe checkout session and then the session ID. So session, you will get it from event object, you can get it from session.id, and then expand price.product. Here you will get the product, and then from product you'll be able to get the metadata, product ID or product ID, anything, you will be able to get that. Alright, So if you want to get the metadata from the top level, this is product base. If you want to get the metadata from this top level, this is not from the product. If you want to get this, you have to use session.metadata.product key, that key, the name which you have given. From the product, you have to use this. The thing is, I have declared product here, line of product. And if you want to check whether the Stripe is connected to the VS Code or not, so for that you can go to this transaction, the payment, and then the events. Click on the webhook, you will see it is connected to localhost.